Hi, and welcome into yet another LeetCode challenge that we'll be solving on this channel. So today we have an easy one, which is called minimum depth of binary tree. Given a binary tree finds its minimum depth, the minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path from the root node down to the nearest leaf node. A leaf node is a node with no children. So we can see that our root is 3 and we are hitting this 9, which is actually this leaf node because there are no other children below. And here we are hitting 20, and then from 20 we need to check the 15 and check the 7, and we see that both of them are already leaves because they have no children, and the output will be for this particular 9, so we will take the root as a 1 and 9 as a second level. That's why we will output second here. So that's the basic idea about this issue. So let's get to the console and to the coding. Alright, so we are back in the LeetCode console. I will be using JavaScript, but there are many other languages to choose from. So if we are dealing with a binary tree, we probably will use recursion. So the idea is that we will be going through each of the nodes and record a depth, and then we will return the minimum one. So let's declare ourselves a helper function here, which we'll use as recursion. So let's call it maybe depth, and to it we will pass the root. So here what we want to do right now, as with all the recursions, we need to account for the base case. So we will do it this way, that if root is actually null, then we will return 0. So let's code that. So if root is equal to null, let's return 0. So this will be our base case. And what is happening when the root is not null? So we will be going deeper if it's possible, but we need to account for that the one of the nodes that, let's say there can be a leaf node of 9 and it would only go one way, so either right or either left. All the third example is that the both are there, so we are going to both of them. So the idea about it would be, let's say like this: if root.left is equal to null, then we know that the left one is not possible. So what we will do, we will return 1. This 1 is actually to account and count this one node that we are currently on, and we will return depth of root.right, because we know that the left one is not there. And we can do also else if, that we will do root right equal to null, and we will do more or less the same. So we will return 1 plus recursive call to root.left, because we know that right is null. But if we will not hit either this, then we know that both of that we have like two children. So either also root.left and root.right have some values in it, and there are another nodes. So we will return both of them, but we will wrap them in a mat min because we want to get shortest path. So in the else example, we will return 1 plus mat.min from depth on root left and depth on root right. And at the end, let's just run this function. So we will return depth of root. And let's see if it will work. Okay, we have an issue. Oh, why I did it in the big cases. Okay. Sorry for that, just a mistake on the null. And yeah, we have both cases accepted. And we can run the whole suite right now. And yeah, we are accepted on everything and actually with a quite nice result. So that will be the end of this challenge. Hope you learned something new. If you would like to see more of such videos, please of course subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to see a video on any particular topic or on any particular problem on LeetCode, let me know down in the comments and I will try to make such video for you. And that's all for today, and see ya in another one.